Want to find winning eBay products in minutes? I'll show you how ZIK Analytics makes it easy in today's video. So first, we're going to log in and check it out, right? So it does work with Shopify eBay Analytics tool, but it's just $1 free trial, not too bad. And we're going to dive into the platform once you log in. And right off the bat, in the top left corner, it shows trending eBay niches. We've got kitchen sink faucet sprayer, Cuban chain necklace, kitchen faucet with sprayer, same thing, bubble mailers, shoe rack storage. So what you want, electric mosquito trap. So what you want to do is kind of look into these more and see if any of these interest you, right? And then you can also look them up on eBay. You can see who the seller is. Lamp insect killer. And you can see where they are if they're selling on eBay. Let's look at this one. Okay. 377 sold, $24.99. So what we can do if we wanted to sell this item is literally kind of, let's see, save image. I'm going to save this image and then I'm going to go to Alibaba.com and I'm going to do an image search and we can see if there's a manufacturer that actually sells this item. And we can see one that's right here. This one looks similar, $5.50. This one's only $3.95. So we could reach out to them and potentially get it shipped to us in the US. So if we get this for $3, let's say $10 altogether with shipping to the US, and we had it ready to go, then we could sell it for $24.99 or undercut them a little bit and start generating some sales. So that's kind of the start and the setup of this, right? The higher the sales, the better. You also want to look at what other competitors there are. If there's tons of competitors, these all look like almost the same. Or if there's any one item that's just selling a ton. Oh, look, so they put US seller. So that's important when you're creating the listing as well, making sure. So 1,000 sold. This is nuts. So you could do the same exact thing. But anyway, I want to keep diving into the tool and show you more analytics. Let's go back to product research. So here, Insight Dashboard. So then there's more right here. There's trending eBay sellers we can look at. So we can click scan and actually analyze one of the top eBay competitors and just see what items they sell, right? And then we could potentially mimic some of their items and sell them ourselves. As long as we can make the listing look a little bit better than theirs, or just make it stand out like this one does, we could totally get ahead. And a lot of them are overpricing some items on here. It's taking a little while to load. So I'm just going to open up a different tab while we're going through this. And then now we can look at different ones right here. So seller settings, we can look at eBay wholesale, eBay arbitrage, eBay drop shipping, eBay brand owner, and eBay reseller. So again, giving us different ideas here. I mean, we already found some products that are pretty quick. You see, did it load? I'm trying to see if this one loaded. Yeah, let's see. It's taking forever, huh? All right, let's keep going. And then again, we're going to go to the competitor research. So we have advanced tools, bulk scanner. So this can bulk scanner a whole seller's list. 500 best selling items on eBay. So here we go. We've got different types of toys for adults. So again, now we're looking into different items that you might have not thought about or ever used yourself. And you're like, hey, if people are buying this, again, do that reverse image search on Alibaba. It might feel really weird, but the closer the niche is, like the more specific and weird the product is, usually the less amount of sellers and the more money you can make. So you can kind of just go through this and go from there. Right, so we're kind of looking front wheel hub, rear right, Bluetooth karaoke speaker, Jolly Roger pirate, right? So you can kind of filter this by price and then kind of take it one step at a time from here. But yeah, we already found, I think, a few items if you were looking at this with me. Now we can go to product research. So we can look by category. So if we wanted to sell something specifically for like Let's just go with a weird category, like not weird, but very specific, business and industrial. And we're gonna click search. And we can find, we wanna look at items that aren't extremely popular sometimes because it might be easier to compete. So we're gonna look at the last 30-day sales. Let's kind of filter it. 2,000 sales, conductor. And this picture looks terrible. I mean, some of these you can try to find. This is a Brother, genuine, unbranded. So if you're into these types of stuff, you could sell these if you like know this type of business. If you want to do, let's do pet supplies. You know what I noticed that is really, really good once you start diving into pet supplies? Horses. So like horse toys, horses. There's everything for dogs, but I know people have horses and they're very, very expensive. So horse toys. Let's just try this and click search. Here we go. Oh, the sales aren't that crazy. So again, just looking into this and trying to get some different ideas on different products in different categories so you can see what has potential and what doesn't have that much potential. Now, at the beginning of the video, we looked at a competitor. We went to the competitor research station and we typed in techie parts, and now we can finally see all of his listings. I just had too many tabs open, but we can look at competitors on eBay. So if you're on eBay and you're like, oh my gosh, this has so many sales, right? Like 1,000 sold. We can actually type in their name and then find every single product they sell and then kind of redo a reverse image analysis of that. So if we go back, here it is. We're doing techie parts. We can see every product they sold and the total, let's see, 30-day sales, 56 sold. And look how specific this is. It's a super micro. They're selling this for 40 bucks. I know for a fact you can probably get it for less than $5 on Alibaba. They only have 3 left in stock, high demand type of product. So, and the pictures suck. So again, this is an item that you could potentially double down and sell a lot of. These types of micro, super micro, it's just a module, right? And then getting familiar with the product, understanding the product, and then reselling online. Wow, this is actually a pretty good niche. So if you understand some of these niches, 119 bucks. Oh my gosh, I just want to really just see if we can try to get a product like this. We might have to, what you can do is take a screenshot, and then if you can't find the direct manufacturer, you can just ask manufacturers on Alibaba's website and be like, hey, like, do you have any items like this? Okay, so these are expensive. These are potentially expensive. This one says $5. So you want to ask around and see what we can do to try to find a good deal. Because potentially, if you could find the same exact item and then resell it, that would be a game changer for you if you're selling some of these items. So again, kind of going from there, let's look at one more. I like the bug. Let's look at them, do competitor analysis, and then triple check what we can do from there. And I'm going to do competitor research. Let's see if it shows them. So that was extremely quick. And again, they're not selling that many products, but you can also see what other products they're selling and try to get some of like an analysis on how much money they're making. Again, another generic, just like a beard trimmer, face shaver, nothing crazy. But again, this tool is very, very powerful. Compared if you didn't have any tools, title, but it's going to even help you create different listings, category research. We kind of went over that, and they have training, and you can mark your products down. So overall, this tool, I do think it's totally worth it, and it's just $1 to start. I don't have an affiliate link or a discount, unfortunately, but definitely check it out and see if this helps you succeed on eBay. Because I do know that if you're just doing random product research on eBay, you can't see the sales data. Seeing the sales data is what makes it the game changer. And not only the sales data, but the sales data within the last 30 days. That's what matters most, right? That's it for today's video. If you want more eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an eBay seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on eBay, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full eBay account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling eBay, customer service, advertising, design, listing creation, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time working on your business and expanding your products while we're doing the day-to-day operations, handling disputes, handling customer concerns. We're going to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.